In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Translate in a video call. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to download the Google Translate app on our phone. This works for either your iPhone or your Android. Simply search for Google Translate. This is the app. Simply tap on download and just give it a few minutes. Once you download the app, tap on open, and we're just going to pretend that we're about to enter a video call with someone that does not speak our language. So the first thing we're going to do is select both languages. So let's say that this person speaks English and I want to translate what they're saying to Spanish. So I'm going to select both languages at the bottom, and what we're going to do is simply tap on the microphone icon that you see at the bottom. Give your phone access, so simply tap on allow. Now I'm going to tap on the mic button and I'm going to record what this person is saying.
The less is more approach is what works for me. Especially under makeup, I don't like to put too much product on, so I'm gonna keep it light with just that face oil and some SPF and go for some foundation.
As you can see, this app immediately translated everything that this person was saying to me to Spanish. If you want to play what you just translated, you can select this microphone icon. So of course, if you are in a meeting, this is not going to be automatically. You do have to let the other person know that you're using Google Translate and that you need them to either speak slowly or to give you your time to translate, read, and understand what they're saying. But I have used this feature in the past when I'm speaking to someone in a different language, and I think it's a really great option to understand what the other person is saying and to also get your point across. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.